Hi, this is Gary Fong, and I'm going to explain to you the Lightsphere Universal mounting and a sample shot today. Now, the Lightsphere Universal has, as one of its key innovations, is our patented strap and band mounting system. Now, this is such a strong setup that I'm literally picking up the entire camera and tripod and everything just by the diffuser itself. So how cool is it that you can just like pivot here and shoot vertical or horizontal, or in fact, if you're laying down on the ground, you can aim it upwards, the camera upwards, or if you're on the ceiling and you can aim it down. That way, you have this able to fill the ceiling with light. Now, okay, so the first one's is gonna be just a direct flash. Okay, we'll just stay there. Perfect. And now let's do Mr. Lightsphere. Do a series with the Lightsphere Universal.